Good morning, students. Today we'll start with a new chapter, that is respiratory system. Okay, so when we talk about respiratory system, we talk about respiration. What is respiration? It is a biochemical process taking place in our body. Okay, why we are saying biochemical? Bio word we use, which is taking place in the living beings in our body, and chemical because some chemical reactions are taking place. That's why we are calling it as biochemical process. So when we talk about respiration mainly when you are talking to a layman, we always say that respiration is intake of oxygen and evolution of release of carbon dioxide. But technically speaking, respiration is not intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide only. Respiration involves intake of oxygen and breakdown of food. Then after the breakdown of food, energy and carbon dioxide is released. So these are the various steps taking place in the respiration. Children, we all know when we fuel our cars, okay, when we fuel our automobiles, what happens? The fuel burns, and after burning of fuel, energy is being released, and then energy helps in the movement of the vehicles. Same way in our body, we are taking fuel. Fuel is in the form of food. We are taking fuel in the form of food. That food breaks down with the help of oxygen. Okay, that food breaks down with the help of oxygen to release energy and carbon dioxide. So what is respiration? We know that respiration is a biochemical process. It involves intake of oxygen. When we breathe in, we take oxygen. This oxygen, what does this oxygen do? This oxygen will combine with the food. Which food? Glucose. Okay, it will combine with the food, and this food will break down. It will break down into carbon dioxide, water, and energy is being released. So this energy helps in the various processes, or this energy helps in running of our body. Human body is also like a machine. Okay, human body is also like a machine. All the machines, when we are talking about any machine, all the machine requires energy. Some energy is being provided by electricity, electrical energy. And from where our body is also a machine, from where this body is getting energy, we are getting energy by the breakdown of food. How does this food break down? With the help of oxygen. So first step in the respiration, first step is intake of oxygen, then breakdown of food, glucose, then release of energy and carbon dioxide. Therefore, when we respire, we get energy. We get energy from the respiration. Now we'll study about the parts and functions of human respiratory system. So children, what is respiration? Biochemical process in which intake of oxygen, breakdown of food, and release of carbon dioxide takes place. When we are talking about human respiratory system consists of lungs. Lungs are the main respiratory organs. Okay, so lungs are the main respiratory organs. What are lungs? They are main respiratory organs. They are spongy, highly elastic, and bag-like structure. Okay, so lungs, main respiratory organ, spongy, highly elastic, and bag-like structure. Now these lungs are being connected with external air. कैसे? ये पूरा कनेक्शन कैसे है कि डायरेक्ट लंग्स के अंदर ऑक्सीजन नहीं जा रही है, ठीक है, वो एयर कैसे लंग्स के अंदर जा रही है? इट इज़ बीइंग कनेक्टेड थ्रू वेरियस पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज नोज. What is the main function of nose? When we are asking from a layman, from a small child, they always say we breathe in air. Okay, with the help of nose, breathing takes place. We breathe in air. So nose is the first part through which we breathe air. The nostrils open into nasal passages. In the nasal passages, air is filtered. Okay, so in the nasal passages, air is filtered, warmed and moistened before entering lungs. अगर हम ऑक्सीजन इनहेल कर रहे हैं, मे बी देयर आर सम अनवांटेड पार्टिकल्स, सो दे विल ऑल्सो गो टू द लंग. वो सारा अनवांटेड पार्टिकल्स शुड नॉट गो टू द लंग्स. वो सारी फिल्ट्रेशन कहाँ हो रही है? दैट एंटायर प्रोसेस ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन इज टेकिंग प्लेस इन नोज. सो एयर बिकम्स मॉइस्ट इन नोज, एयर गेट्स वार्म्ड अप, as compared to the outside temperature and our body temperature, it is not same. ठीक है, outside temperature and our body temperature are not same. So when air enters the nose, here it gets warms up also. वो अपने body temperature के ऊपर आ जाएगी. It will reach the body temperature, and dust, smoke particles, pollens and microbes from the air taken in air trapped by the hair present in the nasal passages. So whenever somebody, doctor, you are going to doctor or something, they always say that breathe through nose, not through your mouth. Why we need to breathe through our nose? Because nose contains some minute hair particles. Because nose contains minute hair, so what is the function of that hair? They'll filter the air. Okay, whatever impurities are there, dust particles are there, they'll get filtered to the hair. So we always breathe through nose. If some unwanted particles enter through our nose, we sneeze. Why do we sneeze? So if some unwanted particles are being trapped, so as to remove that unwanted particles, we sneeze, sneezing throughout the unwanted particles. So after nose there is pharynx. It is a common passage for food and air. After nose, pharynx, common passage for food and air. Then another part is larynx. Larynx is the upper part of trachea. Okay, larynx, it is also called as voice box or Adam's apple. It connects pharynx to the trachea. So there is connection between pharynx and trachea. ये connection किसके through होगा? Through larynx. So larynx is acting as a connecting node between pharynx and trachea. Now this trachea, after larynx it is trachea. Trachea is also known as windpipe. Okay, it is also known as windpipe. This trachea is divided into bronchi, and these bronchi, they enter into their respective lungs, which are further being divided into bronchioles, and these bronchioles finally end with small air sacs known as alveoli. Okay, ये alveoli हैं जो main exchange of gases में help करेंगे. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर जा रही है, ऑक्सीजन अंदर आ रही है. That main exchange of gases takes place through alveoli.